Is CyberGhost VPN safe? If you've been doing your research into VPNs and you want to know if CyberGhost VPN will keep your data secure, the short answer is yeah, pretty much it will. But I'll get it more into the details in a second. First, most people want to know two things when they talk about safety. One, they want to know if a particular VPN will give their data away to any third party, whether that be a government, another company, or what have you. And secondly, they want to know that the VPN itself is built well, that the network is built well, and that their data is safe. Well, I can say yes to both in this case. When it comes to keeping your data safe from third parties, CyberGhost VPN is located, or rather headquartered, in Romania. Romania has fantastic data privacy laws, and CyberGhost VPN has a no-logs policy, which means they're not even collecting your data. There is no chance that CyberGhost VPN will be giving away your data. They have a fantastic reputation for this. CyberGhost VPN has a set of servers called NoSpy servers that are all in Romania. Why is that important? Because Romania is not part of any of the international mutual data collection and data sharing agreements that there are out there in the world. Now, as for actual security features, you have a few. You can have your choice of a VPN protocol. I recommend either OpenVPN or WireGuard. They're both fantastic and secure. And when it comes to actual simple privacy settings, you can actually block DNS domains used for ads, trackers, and malware whenever you want. That's just built into the VPN. You can prevent DNS leaks by using CyberGhost's own DNS servers. And you can activate the automatic kill switch, which will basically block all internet traffic if your VPN gets disconnected, which is important because that keeps your data from leaking. So whatever you want to do, whether that be streaming, torrenting, gaming, there are dedicated servers for all three of those. If you want a dedicated IP server, or you just want a server that's close to you from this pretty massive network, you can be sure that your data is as safe as it can be using a VPN. Now, if you want total safety, I recommend maybe grabbing the Linux client, downloading Kali Linux, and using the Tor browser on that, if you really want to go all out. You can also tell CyberGhost what to do when it connects to a new Wi-Fi network. You can add rules for specific Wi-Fi networks and other good things like that for, people who are on the go with laptops or smartphones. And yes, CyberGhost works on smartphones as well. So all that to say, yes, CyberGhost VPN is actually one of the better options out there for security. They have a fantastic reputation. I honestly do recommend this service if you like its particular features and services. And that is about it. Please do the YouTube stuff if you found this video helpful. And also check out the links in the description, because down there we'll have a discount link for CyberGhost VPN, as well as a link to the full review with all of the CyberGhost features, and of course, all of the tests we've run with it. Again, this has been Ezekiel Bruni. I had fun making this video. I hope you had fun watching it. This is me signing out.